Preparation of materials or tools. In making a wooden chair, first, you need to prepare your materials. It is important that your materials are prepared before making a wooden chair. It is also important to check your tools or materials and other stuffs because if we don't, there is a high chance of not working and make accidents. Planning. It is important because it is your pattern in making a chair. By having a plan will help us see in advance those things that can help us achieve our goal. Planning helps us to be accountable for what we do. These are the tools and materials that we need in making a chair.
Proper execution. First of all, you need to build the legs of the chair. While the construction of the front leg is a straightforward task, building the back legs is a little more complicated. Measure the woods using a L-square or tape measure for the correct length and sizes of the chair to be made. After measuring the woods, use a crosscut saw to cut the woods from the correct sizes. After you cut the wood, put it together and mark the same size wood. Just make sure that the angle and the size of the specific length of the woods are right.
Joining or assembling of a chair. First, prepare the four legs of the bench and make sure they are even. Attach the legs to the base of the bench and make sure they are level. After attaching the legs to the base of the bench, attach the other parts. Carefully but make sure they are even by using a level bar. When the parts of the chair are put together, put a brace on it and make it more stable and not easy to break. Afterwards, continue the woodworking project by building the front legs and securing the back legs. Install them into place, sewing the nail. After building the both sides of the chair, you should lock them together with the front and back aprons. After that, build the seat of the chair from 1/2 plywood, making sure you notch the back corners to fit around the legs. Afterwards, build the seat support of the wooden chair.
Finishing. You should take care of finishing touches. Once the chair is finally complete, use sandpaper to smooth the texture of the chair. After the chair was properly sanded, use paint or varnish and apply it by using a paintbrush to provide protective coatings for wooden surfaces. Also, varnish is used for decorative purposes.
Importance of woodworking. Woodworking is not an easy job. There are many things that need to be learned before you can perfect your skills in this field. But even though it is not easy, it is very important to learn because of its importance in our industry. Through woodworking, we can make different things using wood that we can see in our environment and in our nature that we can use in our everyday lives that can help to make our job easier. An example of woodworking product is making a chair. Through woodworking, we can make a chair made of woods. As we all know that the chair is very useful and helpful stuff to the people like us. In conclusion, woodworking is really significant for people like us, especially in society and industry. Through woodworking, things are made that will help to make people's life easier.